Now let's test your understanding on our lesson about the norm reference and criterion reference. So our game for today is the guess what game. So here you can analyze the given statement. Mamaya magbibigay ako ng mga statement, one sentences, and then you will just guess if that is a norm reference or criterion reference. If dun sa mga given statement natin, dapat ba na gumamit ang isang teacher ng norm reference or dapat ba na criterion reference ang gamitin niya? Number one. Number one, we have, okay, the score of Colette is compared to the mean score of all test takers. The score of Colette is compared to the mean score of all test takers. Is this a norm reference or criterion reference? What do you think? Okay, the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The correct answer for this is, yes, that is the norm reference. Ano ang clue word natin, class, sa ating given statement? That is the mean score. Kasi kinukumpara lang ang score ni Colette sa mean score ng lahat ng test takers niya, ng kasabay niyang mag-exam. So kapag kinocompare natin ang isang score sa kasama mo sa pag-exam, that is norm reference. Diba? The standard of the group. That is norm reference. Next, number 2. Number 2 statement, Fiang was given an NC2 driving course. Fiang was given an NC2 driving course. So what should be the grading system that a teacher will use? Is it norm reference or the criterion reference? So the correct answer for this is, yes, that's right, the criterion reference. Why? Sa ating given statement, ang ating usapan ay NC2. Binigyan si Fiang ng NC2 driving course at sa course na ito, may mga qualifications na dapat maabot si Fiang para makasabi na siya makakapasa for this course. Kapag ganito, class, criterion reference ang ating dapat na gamitin dito. Okay, so we have number 3. Sa number 3, Kai passed the competency. Kai passed the competency test in mathematics. Okay, si Kai nakapasa sa isang competency test in math. Ano ang pwede natin gamitin dito? Norm reference or criterion reference? In the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, our correct answer is criterion reference. Why? Why criterion reference, class? Because of competencies. Ano po? So, ang kailangan lang, ang goal lang ni Kai, makapasa sa math as a competency test, which is hindi ito nakakompare sa kung ano yung score ng kanyang ibang classmate or ibang test takers. So, as long as makapasa, si Kai, mahit niya yung mga competencies, makatama siya doon, skilled siya doon, then she will pass. Okay, number 4. Sa number 4, the percentile rank of the test is 90. The percentile rank of the test is 90. Kapag tayo ay may mga clue word na percentile rank, saan ba ito ginagamit? Anong kino-compare dito? Okay, the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Kapag ganito ang ating statement, ang ating gagamitin is norm reference. Why? Kasi kinumpare lang natin ang kanyang score, ang kanyang grade sa ibang classmate niya. The ranking. Okay. Okay, so for number 5, ang ating statement ay Colette's grade in teaching profession is 1.5. Kapag ganito ang ating statement, what will we use? The norm reference or the criterion reference? So for this, ang ating ginamit is the criterion reference. Why? Dahil ang ating usapan lang dito, class, is yung grade ni Colette sa teaching profession, which is 1.5. May mga set na criteria dito for us to get 1.5, o sa college kasi ang mga grades natin is 1, 1.5, 1.75, 1.25, at ang pinakang passing grade is 3. So, I hope na naintindihan natin kung ano ba ang difference ni norm reference and criterion reference. That's all, and thank you.